Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use DeepSeek AI to analyze images and photos, for example, using the DeepSeek AI chat or conversation. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so navigate to your chat or conversation on DeepSeek AI, for example, start a new one or go into one of your past conversations. Just write information right from the get-go, guys. DeepSeek AI is not capable of reading or describing or viewing images directly, like for example visually, only or except text. So if you have, for example, a photo with a lot of text or simply a document in JPEG or PNG format, the DeepSeek AI will be perfectly able to read all the text it sees in the given image or picture. Let me give you an example of that. So what you want to do, guys, is click into your text field here and provide a prompt. It's optional, you don't need to provide a prompt, but by providing a prompt you give the artificial intelligence some additional information and the context. So yeah, it may help the AI to give you better results from that image analysis. So what you want to do, guys, is click into that paperclip icon here before you send your prompt, just like that. And next, what you want to do is navigate to the given file on your device. Let me go with this one here. Wait for the upload process to be finished. You can always cancel the upload here by clicking this button. Also bear in mind that the maximum file size for these images and pictures you upload is 100 MB. And that's it. Now press enter and let the artificial intelligence analyze your image. And there you go. And that's basically it, guys. Now let me show you that image. So as you can see, it gave me an analysis and description of the image text, and indeed it provided pretty accurate information and a pretty accurate description of the text within that image, as you can see. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.